Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos black and white. There are two ways to do so. First way, go to adjustments, go to saturation, and move the slider to the left side. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, highlight, etc, etc. Or if you want to, let's just remove the adjustments. You can go to filters here and just type black and white. It's a little bit easier, but you'll have more flexibility in doing the adjustments. It's still loading, but you have these black and white filters and you're just going to place it on top of your videos like so. You can adjust the strength here, but obviously if you want it black and white, you have to have the strength up to 100. There's like 3 filters. There's black and white 1. Here, I'll show you. Black and white 1 is this one. Black and white 2 is this one. It's brighter. And this is black and white 3. This is like, I think, the middle ground of both. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!